4:30 in the morning, and we are somewhere in Kentucky at Buc-ee's. We left at 10 o'clock last night. We are heading to Car Braggin Rights. It's going to be a great weekend, and we're going to show you everything that we're doing and every pass, and hopefully get some good stuff, and we're going to go for the win. I really got to pee, but once the truck is full, we're going to go inside, but you won't see that. Most people have seen it at Buc-ee's, but we love it. We're still 2 hours from the track, so I thought I'd pop on here to say a few things. One, I hate Apple Maps. I hate Waze. It has taken us on some back-ass roads, and for some reason it always does this. One year, I was with the 2-car trailer with our buddy Skyler, and it took us through downtown Indy, and it was not a good time going down side streets. Also, on the other side of it, we changed a few things with the car. I forgot to update you guys on this. I changed all the tranny fluid. Unfortunately, we were not able to test it out on the track, but just driving it around and everything else, the converter did tighten up, so I'm hoping that we could gain maybe a little mile an hour or a little better time if the converter's not slipping as much and whatnot. We'll see how it goes. Like, we're gonna have, what, 3 qualifiers today?
Well, we have 1 today, and then 2 tomorrow, and then eliminations.
Do we have testing? We have testing today.
There's
too.
Testing today too.
And then also, I found looking through the engine bay of the car, I found a vacuum tee that I put in a while ago when we first put the kit on, and it seems like it could have been a little restrictive, possibly not putting a lot of boost on the dome of the blow-off valve, so the blow-off valve could be leaking when it's under boost or something. And that part's totally could be my fault. So I found a bigger vacuum tee, put that in there so it's less restrictive, and hopefully maybe we can pick up a little bit there. I don't know. I'm just shooting out ideas.
Speculating.
Yeah. I mean, we're just working to try to see how we can get the car faster with what we have. But I am very hopeful about the converter. Hopefully it doesn't slow it down with changing the tranny fluid. We are an hour 40 minutes from the track, so we'll be there soon, and we'll get some videos of us racing, making passes, and whatever else we get into while we're there.
Outside of that, guys.
So we're here for day 2. Yesterday we made 1 qualifier pass. I spun on the hit, so I ran 11:08. So it got rained out last night, so they are packing it all into today. So we're gonna have a long day racing, but we're about to run the 2nd qualifier, so we'll see how it goes.
Brittany Sammartino and Emily Forgy. Forgy in one of 2 Pontiac G8s in competition out here this weekend. Brittany Sammartino, normally I'm used to seeing her driving a 99 Lightning. She's piloting the Mustang here this weekend. 1060.
Okay, so we just did our third qualifier, and I did spin a little bit, but it actually was more of a controlled spin, so I was able to stay in it, and I ran a 1050. So it's probably what we're gonna dial in, and then first round is in about, I think, 2 hours, so we'll see how it goes then.
Car's fastest spin this year has been?
Oh, the fastest this car has been this year is 1043. So it's a little bit slower, but spinning, and the track isn't super great, but yeah.
I think the track's all right, but we're just trying to learn since we put a different tire in it.
Yeah.
But also,
brand new tires.
We're getting it there. But we're working on it. I'm happy with the car, and I'm going to leave it the way it is. I also think that it might be coming in a little faster with the converter a little tighter, and that's why we're having such issues. But we'll get it going, and hopefully we can do pretty good. She needs to work on her reaction time a little bit, but other than that, it's decent. So if we get knocked out, we'll watch some racing. What we got going on?
Drinking water right now because it's hot. Going into round 1. We got this Mercedes over here, so I don't really have to wait a full second, so that's pretty good. So hopefully I'll be on the light and see how we can do.
Definitely want to come out and check out the inaugural No Prep Extravaganza next week. They are running 3 different classes. They're running a small tire, a street car, and a...
Fogey in the Pontiac right side, 1050 dial, and 1110 for the Mercedes. Win light will go Mercedes. Better reaction time goes.
So I lost round 1 by, like, I don't know what she ran, but I might have to go buy back in. So we made it to round 3, but I broke out and lost. I dialed a 1060 and I went at 1051. Her and I were like right next to each other at the end, so it was rough. But yeah, that's all I got.
The air's getting good. That was honestly our best pass of the weekend. So it sucks. Track's coming around too, but going to 1051 and lifting. But there was nothing she could do. But hey, we had a great time. Street Car Braggin Rights is a great event, and I recommend anybody coming here. We'll wrap up this video, and if this is the end, we'll see you guys next time.